Po sa Jeepney School Tagalog class, ang lesson po natin ngayong araw ay mga kaibigan or friends. Sige, pero before yan, mag-practice tayo. I-review po natin ang lesson natin noong Lunes, noong Monday. Okay? So, ang question ko po ay, ano po ito? What is this? So, magsi-circle ako ng fruit, ng isang prutas, at sasabihin ninyo yung pangalan ng prutas, the name of the fruit, by saying, mansanas po ito. Okay? Pero mag-review muna natin. Let's review the names first. Sige? Mansanas. Mansanas. Very good. Let's say it together. Saging. Saging. Very good. Piña. Piña. Pakwan. Pakwan. Ubas, ubas, mangga, mangga, dalandan, dalandan, peras, peras. Okay? Sige, magsi-circle ako ng isang prutas. Mag-raise kayo ng hand if you know ang pangalan ng prutas. Okay? And I want you to answer in complete sentence. Sige? Ano po ito? Ano po ito, Olivia?
Saging po ito.
Magaling. Ano po ito, Josh?
Pinya po ito.
Magaling. Sige. Ano po ito, Avi?
Mansanas po ito.
Magaling. Ano po ito, Jasmine?
Mangga po ito.
Magaling. Ano po ito? Ano po ito? Olivia?
Pakwan po ito.
Magaling. Ano po ito? Sige, ano po ito? Quinn.
Peras po ito.
Magaling. Sige. Ano po ito? Rafael.
Landan po ito.
Magaling. Salamat. Sige. Ano po ito? Sige, Avi.
Ubas po ito.
Magaling. Sige. Ito naman ay para kay, this one ay para kay Kylie. Kylie, ano po ito?
Saging po ito.
Magaling. Kyrie, ano po ito?
Mansanas po ito.
Magaling. Sige. Quinn, yung sis, para sa sister mo, ano po ito? Sige, we'll come back. Sige. Para kay Dominic, ano po ito? Magaling. Para kay Nathan, ano po ito? Magaling. Sige. Salamat. Ngayon, mag-practice tayo ng asking para sa prices ng mga prutas. Okay? Sige, how do we say that? Remember? We say magkano, magkano po itong pakwan? Magkano po itong saging? Magkano po itong mansanas? Magkano po itong ubas? Sige? So I want you to ask Ate Cherry. Sige? And then I will give you, maybe I'll say 5 pesos po. 5 pesos po itong mangga. 10 pesos po itong saging. Sige? Everyone will get a turn. Sige, let's start with Avi.
Can we choose whatever you want or does it have to be a fruit?
You can do whatever you want. Okay lang. But doing the fruits is a good practice. Sige.
Kano po itong manzana?
5 pesos po itong mansanas. Sige. Josh.
Magkano po itong dalandan?
3 piso. 3 pesos po itong dalandan. Rafael.
Magkano po itong mangga?
Um, 10 piso. 10 pesos po itong mangga. Sige, Olivia.
Magkano po itong pakwan?
5 piso po itong pakwan. 5 pesos po itong pakwan. Sige, Kylie.
Magkano po itong papaya? Papaya.
8 piso, 8 pesos po itong papaya. Kyrie. Nakamute ka, Kyrie.
Magkano po itong saging?
Saging. 5 piso o 5 pesos po itong saging. Sige, Jasmine.
Magkano po itong pakwan?
Pakwan. Magkano po itong pakwan? 15 pesos po itong pakwan. Sige, Dominic. Or Nathan. Sige, Quinn. Ikaw, Quinn. Your turn.
Five po
Mag-
itong... No, you're here.
Magkano?
Magkano po itong saging?
Saging. 10 pesos po itong saging. Sige. You wanna do it again, Avi? Sige.
Magkano po itong pinya?
Pinya. 10 pesos po itong pinya. Okay, sige. Salamat, my friends. Ngayon, ito ang mga new words natin. Sige, mga bagong salita. Ang una ay kaibigan. Let's say it together. Kaibigan. Let's say kaibigan 3 times. Kaibigan, kaibigan, kaibigan. Very good. Kaibigan, friend. Okay, kaibigan, friend. But sometimes others might say kaibigan. Okay, pero kaibigan or kaibigan, they're both correct. Sige. Next ay, sino ang kaibigan mo? Who is your friend? Sino ang kaibigan mo? Sige, answer Ate Cherry by saying, kaibigan ko po si Jackson. Kaibigan ko po si Alex. Kaibigan ko po si James. Sige, ako will ask you, Quinn, sino ang kaibigan mo? Who is your friend? Sino ang kaibigan mo?
Kaibigan ko po si Arlo.
Magaling. Olivia, sino ang kaibigan mo?
Kaibigan ko po si Chloe.
Magaling. Avi, sino ang kaibigan mo?
Kaibigan ko po si Nanda.
Magaling. Josh, sino ang kaibigan mo?
Kaibigan ko po si Sebastian.
Magaling. Jasmine, sino ang kaibigan mo?
One friend or...
Friend, your friend. Just one or two, that's fine. Sige.
Kaibigan ko po si Florence
At,
at Eleanor.
magaling. Kylie, sino ang kaibigan mo?
Kaibigan ko po Ruby.
Si Ruby, magaling. Kyrie, sino ang kaibigan mo?
Sino ang
Kaibigan?
kaibigan ko po si Cortez.
Magaling. Rafael, sino ang kaibigan mo?
Kaibigan ko po si Everett.
Magaling. Dominic, sino ang kaibigan mo? Magaling. Nathan, sino ang kaibigan mo? Magaling. Salamat. Very good. Sige, sunod ay iguhit ang kaibigan mo. So, think, ang kaibigan mo. Does your kaibigan wear glasses? May long hair ba ang kaibigan mo? Short hair ba? Curly hair ba? Beautiful eyes ba? Magaling. Sige, iguhit. Draw your friend. Sige, at sa baba, I want you to write, kaibigan ko po si, and then the name of your friend. If you don't know how to spell the name of your friend, ask help, okay po? Sige. Magaling. Sige. Magaling. Okay, kung finish ka na, kung tapos na, show it kay Ate Cherry po. Oh, magaling. Magaling. Malik. Magaling. Martins. Everly. Magaling. Mia. Evan, Sammy. Harriet, magaling. Julian, Eva, magaling. Janelle, magaling. Evie, Keone, magaling. Jonah, magaling. Audrey, magaling. The De Guzmans, magaling. Everly, magaling. Bella, Carmen, magaling. Shara, magaling. Alyssa, John, Jaylene, Ezra, Jaden, Bella, Quinn, everyone magaling. Good job. Magaling everyone. Okay? Sige. Next naman sa slide we have kapitbahay, my friends. Neighbor. Kapitbahay. Now, this is a big word, so let's clap. Okay? So we can say the words correctly. Kapitbahay. 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 Very good. Now let's say kapitbahay 3 times. Kapitbahay. 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 Very good. Kapitbahay, neighbor. Sino ang kapitbahay mo? Who is your neighbor? Sino ang kapitbahay mo? Okay? I want you to answer Ate Cherry. Okay? Kapitbahay ko po si. And then think, what is our neighbor's name? Ano ang name ng kapitbahay? Okay, now I'm gonna ask you the question now and answer Ate Cherry. Ready? Sige. Sino ang kapitbahay mo? Answer. Kapitbahay ko po si. Kapitbahay ko po si. Very good. Magaling. Good job. Next, we'll do drawing in a little bit, okay? Next word is kaklase. Kaklase. Kaklase, classmate. Someone from your class. Let's say kaklase. Let's say kaklase 3 times. Kaklase. 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 Very good. Kaklase. Sino ang kaklase mo? Who is your classmate? Just pick one, okay? I know you have many classmates, but pick your favorite classmate. Sige, sino ang kaklase mo? Who is your classmate? Okay, answer Ate Cherry. Kaklase ko po si. What is the name of your favorite classmate? Kaklase ko po si. Okay, now I'm gonna ask you the question. Let's answer Ate Cherry together po. Okay, ready? Sino ang kaklase mo? Sino ang kaklase mo? Answer, Ate Cherry. Kaklase ko si. What's the name of your kaklase? Very good! Magaling! Magaling, my friend. Sige. Next po. Okay, now I want you to draw your kaklase. Think of your favorite kaklase. Sige. The nicest kaklase that you have in class. I want you to think. Sige. Think. Long hair ba? Short hair ba? Spiky hair ba? Curly hair ba? Or my glasses ba? Sige? My pretty smile ba? My beautiful eyes ba ang iyong kaklase? Sige. And then sa very bottom right, kaklase. Sorry, kaklase ko po. Sorry, let me just fix this one. Sige, kaklase ko. See. Ko po si. Kaklase ko po si. And then the name of your kaklase. Okay po? Sige, very, very good. Magaling. If you're finished na, show kay Ate Cherry. Ezra, Evans, good job. Chara, magaling. Bella, good job. Caitlin, Alyssa, good job. Julian and Ava, good job. Jaden, Christian, magaling. Sige, Everly, magaling. Zoom user, magaling. Alora Sanchez, magaling. Quinn, Evie, Kioni, Bella, Ramona, magaling. I might be calling your parents' names. Sorry, because that's the name I see on the screen. Anthony, magaling. Eliana, magaling. Audrey, magaling. John, magaling. Mia, Evan, magaling. Mateo, magaling. Harriet, magaling. Bella, magaling. And Bella, Shira, magaling. Jeremy, Casey, magaling. Selena, magaling. Everyone, magaling. Alyssa Williams, magaling. Sige. Okay, next word po. I'm excited to learn our next word. Kalaro. Kalaro, my friends. Sige, let's say kalaro. Kalaro means someone you like to play with. Kalaro, okay? Who's your playmate? Who do you play with always? Sige, let's say kalaro 3 times. Kalaro, kalaro, kalaro. Very good. Should we say it 100 more times? Opo. Okay, let's do it super fast. Kalaro, 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 kalaro. Okay, I can't do it. Sorry, I am. But you can practice that at home, okay? Sige, now I want to know the name of your kalaro. Sino ang kalaro mo? Sino ang kalaro mo? Okay? You can say kalaro ko po si, and then the name of the person or the kid that you play with. You can say kalaro ko po si Jenna, kalaro ko po si Quinn, kalaro ko po si Anthony, kalaro ko po si Julian, si Ezra, si Jaden, si Alicia. Yan, sige. Okay, now I'm gonna ask you the question po. Ready? Sino ang kalaro mo? Answer, Ate Cherry. Kalaro ko po si. Magaling! Good job! Magaling, my friend! Sige, magaling. Now, gusto ko, do you think you can draw your kalaro? Opo? And maybe you can draw what you like to play with them. Ball, playing basketball, or doing Legos with your friend, or playing tag. Sige, can you draw your kalaro? It could be your cousin if you play a lot with your cousin. your pinsan. Or it could be your neighbor if you play a lot with your neighbor, yung neighbor's kids. Sige? Kung finish na po, share kay Ate Cherry po. Magaling. Good job, Caitlin. Magaling, Evie Kioni. Magaling, Everly. Magaling, Audrey. Magaling, Everly. Magaling, Big Boeing 747. Magaling, Jeremy. Magaling, Jaden. The Guzman. Julian. The Martins, good job. Mia, Evan, Sammy, Malik, Janelle. I'm calling everyone. Sorry, Ezra, Evans, John. Everyone, very, very good. They're all showing it to me. Sige, Shara, good job. Jaden Christian, good job. Anka Vigad, good job. Magaling. The Martins, magaling. Sino pa? Selena Villegas. Shara, if I don't call your name, that's probably because the name on your screen is different. Okay po? Eliana, good job. Bella Carmen, good job. Sige, next one. Oh, I'm so excited to show this to you. I have a video here about friends, and I want you to pay attention how they help their friend. Okay po? Opo? Sige, can you give me a thumbs up if you can do that? Opo, sige. Now, if you're ready to listen, touch your tenga. If you're ready to listen, touch your ulo. If you're ready to listen, touch your ilong. Magaling.
Kaibigan, kaibigan, karamay mo kahit saan. Kaibigan, kaibigan, sa lungkot at kaligayahan. Kaibigan, kaibigan, maglaro tayo ng taguan. Kaibigan, kaibigan, di magbabago magpakailanman. Kaibigan, kaibigan, karamay mo kahit saan. Kaibigan, kaibigan, sa lungkot at kaligayahan. Kaibigan, kaibigan, maglaro tayo ng taguan. Kaibigan, kaibigan, di magbabago magpakailanman.
Ayan, maraming salamat kaibigan. Thank you, my kaibigan. All of you, all of you is my kaibigan. Salamat po. Ingat. Salamat po. Salamat, friends.